So the other day that I was driving back home, I had a 28-mile range, and when I got home, it wasn't even reading anything. It was just saying low. So I made it home. It was starting to snow, and I just didn't want to take a chance and get stuck. So I decided to just make it home. But now I don't have enough fuel to make it to a gas station. But that's alright, because I always keep a 5-gallon container of fuel just in case. So I'm gonna fill it up. I keep premium fuel also for my motorcycle, so I can just hit the key fob and it just unlocks. Now this car has a capless fuel system, and the thing about this is you actually need to use a special funnel for this car. Yeah, the funnel stays here. That's what this is. This is the special funnel used to fill up. Yeah, the reason that this one requires a funnel is because you can see in the picture how it has a second flap inside, because it's a capless fuel system. So the funnel pushes the other flap, because if you try to fill up without using the funnel, you'll just make a mess and you won't be able to get fuel inside. So that's why this funnel is used, which I could also use it for the Maserati or the F-150, but it just fits perfectly right there. So I'm going to go ahead and add a couple gallons. I could have stopped at a gas station, but because the weather was getting bad, I knew I had enough just to get home. I didn't feel like stopping. So it's a good thing I always keep a container full of premium fuel, because I can use it on either one of my vehicles or the motorcycle. My Harley Davidson also takes premium fuel. But yeah, I like how they made it capless. It just makes it so easy to fill up. You ain't gotta unscrew the cap or anything like that, and it stays. Well, right now, because I'm close to the car, it keeps it unlocked, but you know, it ain't something where somebody can open it up and mess with it. So it's really cool. I mean, at least they were nice enough to give you this funnel in case you ever do run out of fuel. And this is a pretty nice compartment right here, and this is also where the owner's manual is found. A lot of good information about the vehicle. See how much of a difference that made. Yeah, so now I got plenty. 60-mile range.